guys, we are back in some RNG, and today, there's an admin abuse. I'm recording it. Right now he's on the wheel already, and it wasn't on camera. I'll show you what, it landed on. And by the way, this is global, it's not just for one person. Let's see what he added. Oh, his luck times 16, that's not bad. That is not bad. Can we not turn off this wheel? Because, it's kind of annoying, and it's, like, really loud. We're gonna talk the fruit cutscenes. Okay, how do we turn off? Can we not turn off this wheel spin sound, bro? Cause it is loud. There's really nothing for it. Okay, mutation enemy times 10. I'm gonna use some ultra luck boost. Let's just do 20 minutes. Oh, more luck. Slime damage times 16, that's not bad. Let's unlock this new world. Okay. Winter Wonderland. Alright. There should be a recipe here, I'm pretty sure. Maybe. So I think I saw one, we can check. Right? Yeah. Blue drops times 4, not bad. Can't really see with this wheel, like covering half of the screen. I forgot to close my TV. What I'm watching. I got like so distracted by the admin abuse. Okay. There's a bunch of things going on, which is good. We're also gonna get some roll speed going. It's like 20 minutes of that too. Is this big dice? Oh, there's the recipe. I see it. 32x clover. Not bad. Okay, we got the recipe. I'm gonna use a shiny dice. Mid. Okay. I don't know why I use those. They're kind of buns. Alright, what do we get here? Come on, please, jackpot spin. Jackpot spin. Will columns plus 10 would be great. It's a magician fruit. I have a bunch of those. I have like 4 now. Yeah, not bad, but mid. Where is it? I think it. Oh, it's just right here. Never mind. It's just right here. Okay, I picked it up. Don't worry. Alright. What do we need one more for? A big? Yeah, just a big that we haven't gotten yet. We could use a big dice with no luck, but I kind of don't want to waste that. Oh, jackpot spin! Yes, bro. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. What do we get? Give me a trillion. Give me a whatever. Oh, dino. Let's go. Big dino. Another trillion. Okay. Yep. No. Oh, wait. That's good. Because, I get an index reward. We get more luck. It's not bad. Okay. We have 1 second of roll speed. There's like 2 huges, bro. 2 huges. 2 huge enemies. Alright, come on. Give me roll call. Give a good thing. Come on. Please. We need it. And it's universe. Points times 8. It's not bad. I wonder if someone will get the rarest thing. I think he means like. Shoot. I think he means like this one. 'Cause this is a craft one. I saw. go crazy. We have 1 quintillion already, bro. Times 120. Luck times 120. Let's go. Let's go, bro. 51 million luck. 51 million luck. I can't believe that. That is crazy. Okay, they're both in here. Say offline. Things. Luck 128x. And it's only for 30 seconds. Ooh. What's this? 169 billion? Okay. It's a snazzy. Snazzy. I don't know why I can't say that. Okay. That was new, so that's good. Snazzy's up there. Roll columns +2. That's the goal there. If only that was there for the luck. That would have been good. We need more luck. Come on, game. We just need more luck. That's all we need, bro. That's all we need. Come on, more luck. Yes, let's go. More luck. Let's go, bro. He wasn't lying when he said it would be crazy. Okay, let's get that more coins. Or do we want farm? Yeah, let's get farm. We're getting coins easier. Okay. Oh, there's a guy buying server look. There's a guy buying server look. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we found the golden server, bro. Golden server. What can I tell you? Come on, give us a jackpot spin. We can get 3 rolls with the jackpot spin. Okay, this guy's boosting server look. That's really great. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Oh my goodness. This is so... It's like my best admin abuse yet. It's only my second one. Group XP, we want jackpot spin, bro. Give us that, please. It would be really good right now. It would be really good. But sadly, I'm not getting one. Bonus roll? Yes, bonus roll, bro. Hurry up, hurry up. We have 30 seconds. Come on. And we have luck times 8. You know you want to give it to us. You know you want to. Okay, next one in 3, 2, 3 seconds. Why is he counting so slow? Oh, he missed it, dude. Dang it, bro. Roll columns is gone. Sadly. Okay, here we go. Come on. Are we good? Oh, we're getting goop times 4, I just know. I called it, bro. I don't want goop, though. I don't want goop. That is for sure. Like, who wants goop right now? Like, maybe someone who is, like, close to their next rebirth. Okay, another one. Is there a roll columns +10 on there? I think there is, I'm not sure. It's too fast to see. Overlook times 10. No, big dice, and that sucks. That sucks. Like, I could care less about that. I could really care less about that. Like, who cares for a big dice? What do you mean, ooh, bro? He's crazy. Come on, what is it? And it... Jackpots? Cloverlook X4, bro. That's terrible. Nobody wants Cloverlook. Nobody wants it, bro. 32x, 64x, 120! What the heck? That's just crazy. The Clovers are crazy now. Okay, we gotta zoom in. I think that's my first one. Oh my, bro, the Clovers go up so much, bro. 64x, 128x, 256x. That's just crazy, bro. Oh, we stopped at 8x. Dang it, bro. Change your cutscene, whatever. It stops at 256x log, which is annoying. And it stopped at 64x. Dang it. It's just cool just seeing it go up by a ton. Okay, we got another 74 billion. We got a Drakey. And a jackpot spin. Oh, come on. Imagine the luck, bro. No! No! What? What happened? Oh, I gotta get back quick. I have to get back quick. Hurry up. Hurry up. Get back quick. Hurry, Roblox. Thank you. Slime RNG. Why is it like that? Come on. I need to get back on. No, bro. Why'd you have to do that? We just got a jackpot spin. He's probably spinning again. No. Oh my goodness, bro. This is not good. Okay. All the stuff is still here. That's good. It's extremely laggy. Hey, if you just times quick, you'll get so much XP. Perfect, bro. Perfect. Okay, spinning again. I missed the freaking jackpot. Oh, roll. Where do we feed it? Best one would be luck times 24. Oh, feed this one. Why not? Feed all. These 7 levels. I mean, what can I say? There's not much in that. Okay, we got 10 million luck. It's not bad. Clover luck ran out. And it was pretty crazy. Did I get this? The big ouchie? I don't think I did. From the jackpot spin. Maybe your auto rolled when I left. And it's rolled speed X3. It's not bad. It could be better. 0.33 seconds, bro. That is so fast. That's huge. Yeah, so many rolls. I need more coins, bro. Come on, give me a jackpot too. I'd like that. There's no one buying server luck in this server, sadly. That's so unlucky. That might, I think it crashed or something. I have no idea. Maybe I actually hovered my mouse over the X and clicked on accident. Okay. Next one, 3, 2, 1, 0. Counts so slow, bro. It's already been like 10 seconds. Okay. Come on, give us a universe fruit. I'd like that. And it's went past. Coins times 8, listen to me. Again, that's fine. Honestly, I need that. Alright, come on. What's it gonna give me? Be something good, please. Be something good. No, do not. Okay, slime damage times 24. That's not bad. I'll take it. My gosh, I'm mowing down these slimes, bro. I'm not one-shotting anything, but they're still getting mowed down. What was that? Drumstick. Okay, we can upgrade our coinage. Blue coinage income 14. It's good. Okay, another spin. Egg. Eggy. Egg sucks. No one wants an egg. Alright, what are we gonna get? And it's goop times 6. That's mid. I don't need goop. Yeah, no more goop, please. No more. Barely gives me anything, honestly. Okay. Alright, what can I buy? Nothing from the blue. Oh, is it luck? Yes, mythic luck. Upgrades plus 9. Yeah, for real, some insane boost. Already got my 2 quintillion back. This has been wild. Alright, we can almost buy a jungle temple. We can now. Alright, plus 1 luck. Is there a recipe here? I think there was. Maybe. I can't remember if, like, I didn't see which one was next. Hold on, let me check. Let me check. Okay, I swear there was a thing here. Whatever. Let me get these and go back. No, it was a look for steampunk. I think that had the crafting machine. No, what? Did it just like disappear? Shiny dice. That sucks. Who wants that? Okay, it's right here. And there's the next one's in the mushroom village. We don't have that unlocked. So many shinies and gold. Let me see. Oh my. Anyways, come on, give us like luck times 128 or times 10. I guess that's good. I mean, it's not bad, but it could be better. Well, it could be better. Is there like a better coins times, whatever? There must be, bro. There isn't. Then we need to add more. Is there anything else over here? Goob chance. It's probably the next one. I'm gonna start jumping. I guess I got a fire for it just now. I don't think that's how it works, but okay. I'm gonna keep jumping. You know, I hope it works. Because 10 times luck, it's not much. Come on, 100 times 128. There's a 64x, which would be good too. And it's gonna be, no way it lands on 64x. And it's not going to, it's gonna roll columns. It's not bad. I'll take it. There's 12 upgrades. Did I miss one? I did. Should we do coin income? Nah, let's do. Wait, hold up. Group chance. Oh, it's 85%. Definitely. It's a big jump. Okay, next I'm going to get coin income. Someone get the new rarest yet? Not in the US for sure. I'm never getting the rarest. The new rarest. No way. New spin in 30 seconds. 16x. Can't wait doing it now. Thank you, bro. Oh, I see a coin times 24. That would be good. Or 16. Either one. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh, 128x coins. That would be insane. Slime health times 10. It's not good, though. It's mid. It's not good. Yeah, so bad. Next. Okay, come on. We need something good. Come on. Ice fruit. That is not good either, bro. Really? This sucks, bro. Why an ice fruit, bro? Nobody wants an ice fruit. Nobody wants it. Make sure you pick up the fruit, blah blah blah. Okay, next was the underworld. I may buy that instead of the coin income. Jackpot spin. Let's go. See what we're gonna get for 4 million X luck. And it's going to be, there's a Bimmy on here, I see. You know, I kind of want that big Ember, you know? No, it gives me the big witch. Come on. At least a shiny Zoomy, bro. Can't be mad, though. I can't be mad. I mean, it's okay. Okay, we have 2.73 quintillion. Is there no coin times mutation in here? Root drops, bro. Are we serious? It's terrible. It's actually terrible. These spins suck right now. Not bad. More drops is always good. Always good. My bad. Always oops. Okay, our ultra luck potion is running out. And more roll speed. Alright. Luck times 64. Let's go. I needed that. 29x. It's only for 30 seconds, bro. That's so terrible. Spin again, spin again. Spin again, bro. Spin again. Need a chance for a jackpot. Whatever. Oh, is it gonna roll fast up and give us a jackpot spin? I don't think there's a jackpot spin even on there. Oh, there is. I saw. Yeah, we're not getting it. We're not getting it. Getting it, bro. Universe fruit. No! That's so insane. Yep. We were so close to the universe fruit, bro. Man. Next in 3, 2, 1. Come on, give us a universe fruit. I think I see it. Yep, I do. Wait, never mind, I don't see it. That's crazy. And 10x lot. It's not bad. I mean, it's okay. I'm just stuck at 4.6 million. Look. Man, bro. Come on. Give me something good. There's a jackpot spin. We're getting that. And mutation looks times 6. It's not bad, but also not good. It's mid. I don't like it. I don't like it. There could be better. We need another spin, Mr. Admin Man. Leaf. Where's that? Another spin, bruh. We need it. Okay. You're spinning now. Come on. Come on. Is there a universe fruit? I don't think there is. And we don't care about feeding XP times 2. There's buns. Nope, not using it. So buns. This is going up fast. 22 billion. Shiny derpy. Still pretty bad. Absolute garbage. Rubbish. Come on, roll call I'm supposed to. That's not bad. It's not bad. It could be worse. Oh my, 2 bonuses. Come on. Give us a jackpot spin. Please. We need a jackpot spin. Come on, please. Jackpot spin. Is there one on there? I don't think there is. No. The universe fruit just went by. There's 2 on the wheel. Dang it. Fruit times 24 is a sword fruit. Sword fruit. Dang it, bro. It's so terrible, though. No one wants that. No one wants that. This is just trash, bro. 4 billion. Zoomy. Hot trash, bro. What can I say? Hot trash. Come on, give me something good. Jackpot spin. Jackpot spin. Oh, yeah. Bang. No! I thought that was it. That would have been 3 jackpot spins at once. That is so annoying. That is super annoying. Oh my goodness. Oh my, bro. Really, bro? Are we serious right now? More jackpot spins and roll columns, please. We want to get roll columns plus 10 and then jackpot spin. You know how OP that would be? Ain't no way that wins on it. Back to back. Come on, roll columns plus 10. Where is it? Come on. It would be funny if I just called it. I don't think it's even on there. And it's a shiny dive. Universal fruit. Or the universe fruit, whatever. Bro, how come it couldn't be the universe fruit, bro? Like, it's the best fruit. Come on. It has to land on it now. It has to land on that. And it's gonna roll on Clover Lock. Are we serious right now, bro? I'm not that crazy. Not that crazy, bro. Roll columns plus 10. I think I see it. It's on there, yep. Come on. Come on. I almost just got a free jackpot spin. And it's a woo! Plus 10. It's ending, bro. It's so baiting me, bro. I'll do one more, please. Roll columns plus 10. It would be funny. Or universe, bro. Either one. I just want to see roll columns plus 10. That would be crazy. Imagine popping a jackpot spin on that. That'd be crazy. It's definitely possible, right? Spin and jump. Okay, I don't know how to spin, but I'll try. Yeah, spin. It started off good, but then ended bad. Because there's like basically nothing. Thought he said he'll do one more. I'm waiting for it. Yep, there we go. Okay. Last one. Oh, it's not gonna be that. But it's that cost and I'll take it. No way. Come on, bro. I need something good. And the luck, bro. Come on, I just have to get something good, right? Give me that trillion. Give me that trillion. It's the same one we saw. No, it's a big ouchie. Oh my goodness, this was kind of terrible. I'm just mid. Bro, why couldn't that happen if we... Oh, damn. We were so close to, roll columns times 10. Oh my goodness, that is so annoying. That is so annoying. Alright, well, see you guys later. Hope you had an awesome day today. I hope you keep having an awesome day if you have been having one. And I hope it gets better. And, um, like the video and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Okay. Bye.